Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to understand that how new customer card is created in Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central in complete detail. The customer card is one of the most important pages in Business Central. It is used to store, manage and analyze all informations related to the customer, including master data, financial setup, tax information, payment terms, pricing and customer performance statistics. Before working with customers, first we need to log in to Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central. Before we explore customer card in detail, first see how to create a new customer card in Business Central. So the step 1 is search for the customer. Go to the search bar or tell me box and type customers. Now open the customer list and here click on the new button. Select a template for a customer. So the customer template is a predefined setup that automatically fills many fields on customer card. First one is customer company, business to business customer. Used for regular business customer, customer who pay by bank transfer, credit customer. Then customer EU company, used for European Union customer, export EU VAT rules, intra-community trade. And the third one is the customer person. Cash payment customer, used for individual customer, walk-in customer, cash customers. So on the top of the customer card, we can see that the customer number, and now here we type a name. So we can see that the name is also visible on the top. Main navigation menus such as home, price, discount, customer report and many more options. These menus contain actions related to the customer transaction, pricing, reports and setup. Group store a specific type of customer related information. Whenever you move your cursor over any field, the system automatically shows a description that explains what the field is used for. This makes it very easy for beginner to learn, use the system correctly. The first group is the journal group, which contains basic identification and high-level financial information about the customer. First field is the number field, which is the unique customer number used to identify the customer in the system. The second field is the name, which is the legal or business name of the customer. Then IC partner code, used for intercompany transaction if the customer is also an intercompany partner, which is normally blank. Balance LCY, show the total outstanding balance of the customer in local currency, which is a system calculated field. Now, the next is balance LCY as vendor, which is the balance for a vendor. And it is also a system calculated field. Then overdue balance, show how much of the outstanding balance is overdue, and it is also system calculated. Then credit limit, the maximum credit allowed for this customer, and it is a user entered field. Now block, used to block the customer from new transaction if required. Then privacy blocked, used for data protection and privacy such as GDPR. Then salesperson code, the salesperson responsible for this customer account. Responsibility center. Responsibility center are branch, location or business unit responsible for this customer. Then document sending profile, default method for sending document to the customer. Total sales, which is the total sale for the current financial year. Then cost, which is the total cost related to a customer. Then profit is sales minus cost. Then profit percentage. Then last date modified, date when the customer record was last updated. And the state code is to select any state of the customer. Here we will select Himachal Pradesh. Now the second group is the address and contact group. The address and contact group store the customer communication and location information. So key address fields are address and address to, the physical address of the customer. Here we will write like 123 MG Road near city, mall. And the third one is the country and region code, the country where the customer is located. Then city is the city of the customer. Postal code is the postal or zip code. So in city we will write Delhi. Postal code, now we will write the phone number and the mobile phone number of the customer. So here we will write any random 10-digit number. Then the email address, the customer email address used for sending document. So here, then the fax number of the customer, and the home page if there is URL related to the customer, like language code, the preferred language for document like invoices and statement. Then format region, control regional info formatting such as date and number format. So in language we will select contact code. It links this customer to a specific contact record. Then the contact name, the name of a person you regularly contact at this customer. Here we will write the name. Invoicing group, which controls how invoices are created, addressed and posted for the customer. Here the first field is the bill to customer, which is used when invoices should be sent to different customer than the sale to customer. That VAT registration number is the customer VAT registration number. Then EORI number. EORI number used for customer and international trade. Then GLN. GLN is global location number for electronic document and it is usually blank. Used GLN in electronic document. If enabled, GLN is used in electronic documents. Copy sale to address to QTR from. Control how address information is copied on document. Then the registration number, customer company registration number, and it is an optional field. Then the price and discount. Here the first one is the currency code, define the currency used for this customer. Then customer price group, used to assign specific pricing. Then customer disc group, used to define discount rule. Then allow line disc, allow discount at line level. And invoicing disc, the code used for invoicing level discount. Then price including VAT, define whether price include VAT or not. Now the posting details. In this Gen bus posting group, which control journal ledger posting for this customer. VAT bus posting group, control VAT posting setup. Customer posting group, control which customer account are used in journal ledger. Now the payment group, define how and when the customer will make payment. Fields include in this are percentage for advance payment required, application method, manual and automatic application of payment to invoice, partner type used for intrastate and EU trading reporting, and intrastate partner type used for intrastate reporting and it is for EU only. Then payment term code, define due date such as net 30 and IM8D. Payment method code, how the customer pays such as bank transfer, cash and check. Then reminder term code, rules for payment reminder. Fine charge term code, rule for finance charges on late payment. Cash flow payment term code is the time given to the customer to complete the payment. Then print statement, control whether the customer statement is printed, system generated last statement number sent. Preferred payment tolerance, control whether payment tolerance is allowed. Then preferred bank account code, default bank account for customer payment. Then exclude customer from payment practice reporting. Now the shipping group control delivery and logistic information. So here the first one is ship to code. Select a specific ship to address for this customer. Then location code, warehouse or location from where goods will be shipped. Combine sales shipment. If enabled, multiple sales order for this customer can be combined into one shipment. It options yes or no. Reserve, control automatic inventory reservation. Then shipping advice, control whether partial shipments are allowed. Then shipment method, and the first one is the code, define the mode of shipment. Then agent, courier or logistic company, specific delivery service of the agent, time, expected delivery time, code. Base calendar code, define working days and holidays used for delivery planning. Customize calendar, indicate whether a customer specific calendar is used. Then the text information group. This group is especially important for Indian localization. First one is access code, define the text access category. From here we can select any of the code, like for individual. Then the PAN number, permanent account number of the customer. Then PAN status, status of the PAN reference number, internal reference number for PAN. Aggregate turnover used for GST compliance and reporting. Then in GST, first one is GST customer type such as registered or unregistered, and many more options are available. Then GST registration type such as GST in or UIN. Then GST registration number, the customer then GST registration number, the customer's GST number. E-commerce operator, indicate whether the customer is e-commerce operator. ARN number, application reference number for GST registration. Statistic group shows system calculated customer performance data. In journal, the first one is customer since, the date when the customer is created. Sales since last sale, number of date since last sales transaction. Then distinct items sold, number of different items sold to the customer. Balance, the first one is money owed current, money owed expected, money owed total, credit limit, and uses of credit limit. Then the payments. In payments, the first one is overdue payment, total amount that is past due. Payment this year, total payment received from this customer in current year. Average collection period, average number of days the customer take to pay invoice. Average late payment, average number of days invoice. Average late payment, average number of days invoice are paid late. Invoice paid late, number of invoices paid on or before due date. Paid on time is the invoices that were paid on time. Then percent paid later, percentage of invoices that were paid later. Overdue payment count, number of overdue payment entries. Last payment receipt date, date when last payment was received. Last payment amount, amount of the most recent payment. Last payment on time, indicate whether the payment was on time. Sales this year, posted invoice, total number and values of posted invoice. Posted credit memos, number and total amount of posted sales credit memos. Ongoing invoices, value of open invoices. Ongoing credit memos, number and total amount of open credit memos. Then total sales amount, invoice discount, total discount given. Now interactions. Total number of record interaction with the customer. Interaction date, date of the most recent interaction. Last interaction type, type of the most recent interaction. Most frequent interaction type, most common type of interaction for this customer. Aged amount receivable, this is a compact view of overdue balances by aging period. Now the fact box area, it is on the right side of the customer card. Fact box area are a small panel that show related and supporting information without leaving the main page. And this button is used to expand and collapse the fact box. In this, the common fact box include Attachments, fact box used to attach documents such as customer contracts, agreement, KYC, and any supporting files. Links, used to store external website links, internal SharePoint or document link, any URL related to the customer. Notes, used to add internal note, important remark, and specific instruction about the customer. The fact box area help user quickly access important related information while staying on the same customer page. At the top of the customer card, we have many action button. These action button allow user to perform transaction, view entries, manage pricing, and print report directly. Home tab. In home tab, the first one is the contact. Open the related contact card for this customer. Add predefined customer template to the customer. Merge with. Merge this customer with another customer or contact. Send email. Open the email editor to send an email directly to the customer. The first is send approval request. Send the customer record for approval. Then cancel approval request. Cancel a previously sent approval request. New document. In new document, this action is used to create new sales related document. This action is used to create a new sales related document for this customer. First is sales code. Create a new sales code for the customer. Sales order. Create a new sales order. Sales invoice. Create a new sales invoice directly. Sales credit memo. Create a sales credit memo. Reminder. Create reminder document. Contract. Create a service or sales related contract. Now the price and discount tab. Price and discount tab. The first is the price. Show customer specific sales price. Line discount. Show customer specific line discount. Price and document overview. Show a combined overview of all price and discount. Customer. This section open related customer information. The examples are ledger entries, customer transaction statistics, view sales balance and profit, dimensions, assign default dimension, bank accounts, manage customer bank detail, ship to address, manage multiple delivery address, VAT registration, additional VAT or GST number. Report. The report menu is used to generate customer related reports. Statement. Print and send customer statement. Customer balance to date. Show detailed customer master information. Receivable aging. Scheduled statement. Different format of customer statement. And sales. So this is a complete and detailed walkthrough of customer card in Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Center. In this video, we covered how to use search box and tell me box, create a new customer, all major customer group, the fact box area and its importance, detailed action button and menus. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. In next video, we will explore more Business Central pages in detail. Thank you for watching.